Daytime Live. Now we are happy to have back on the show with us Khalia. So,
hey, how are you guys?
beautiful.
I don't know, I thought you that again.
Khalia, Dofton is enamored with her beauty. So
No,
I will
and she did
run
the
it.
cute laugh a while ago.
That's right.
Like,
So
you don't open your mouth too wide. And you can
how have you been doing during the pandemic, Khalia?
I've been good, thank you. I mean, I've been staying inside and writing some music. I've been learning the guitar. I've been just brushing up on skills and planning for 2021 and hoping for the best.
Mm-hmm.
You know, this time has allowed persons to kind of sit back and look within themselves and find out some truths.
Yeah.
You know, what have you learned about yourself during this time?
I've learned that I can do anything that I mean, I knew this already, but like if I just take some time, like I said, the guitar thing, when I first started, my hands were like paining and I was like, no, but now I have all this time. I'm like, okay, let me just sit and just push through with it.
Mm-hmm. So your single, Easy, has been receiving so much global love. What inspired you to write this song?
Real life, you know, honestly, it's a feeling that everybody can feel, like everybody has felt, you know. Easy met my got you when you said that, you know, you've been working hard and sometimes you just need that one opportunity. And I've been through that myself, and I just wrote it to be motivational for me and then, you know, other people as well.
Excellent.
You recently did a performance, a live performance, but it was virtual. I mean, how was that?
Yes. It was good. I mean, it's different, you know, when you're trying to perform and there's no crowd to give you vibes, but you have to just find the vibes and you find the energy yourself. So people like it. I really miss being on stage, and obviously, you know, people still want to see live performances, so we just give them the content.
That's excellent. So where can we see it? First of all, where can we go see the performance that you did, and what material did you do?
It's on my YouTube. Yeah, it's on my YouTube channel. It's a live performance of my recent single, Love Is Real. And then I'm doing a series of performances. So each week there'll be another song that I'll perform. But the one that's out now is Love Is Real. And you can find it on my YouTube channel, which is just type Khalia, and you'll find me.
Yeah. Okay, like as performers, you know, and now performing virtually, there are things that you do in your head. You visualize in order to gear yourself up, because there's no crowd there. There's nobody giving you that feedback. What are some of the things that you do that you implement in order to push yourself to give a great performance?
Well, like for instance, I did a performance for a Kenyan TV station, and it was live. And I just had to imagine that I'm in Kenya and the crowd is there and they're ready for me. And I literally had to just visualize them, because the energy when you're by yourself and when the crowd is there is different. So you just have to try and just use your imagination and pretend that they're really there in front of you.
Excellent.
Do you get nervous though? Like, is it like, am I doing good? Like,
it's awkward when you finish a song and nobody claps, but you know, you just have to clap for yourself.
Yeah.
At the end of the day.
You're like, yeah.
When nobody else claps, you have to clap for yourself. So.
You know what, Khalia, I really want to see the video, and the good thing is that we're actually going to show it on Friday. So tune in, guys. We're going to show the video of Khalia performing on Friday, just for everybody to know that.
Clapping yourself.
Clapping yourself. And I think it's true. In this season, we got to do what we got to do.
No, it's the truth.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, I've done some comedic performances, and like you don't get the laughter. It's like
you're like, did it land?
You're performing to a wall, so you're like, this is when persons who have like inside voices,
they're happy.
And other personalities kind of
Yes.
help, because they're in front of you going.
Yeah, you know, you think so you're mad, but you know, I don't think speaking to yourself or having inside voices is madness. Your motivation, you have to tell yourself sometimes, you know, some of the good, but go on good, the people them just now. Yeah.
I agree with you. And on that note, my inside voice is saying, thank you so much for joining us on the show. And my outside voice, thank you guys. Thank you, Khalia. So guys,
Thank
make
you.
sure to go and stream all her songs on all streaming platforms.
And at the same time, remember to check on your loved ones, your actual loved ones, not the ones in your head, and support
too.
each other as a community. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back on Friday with much more.
Buzz, chat, vibe, mix, and the Khalia video, of course. So stay safe and wash your hands, mask up.
Keep a distance and just stay inside. Listen, if we do this for like 2 weeks to a month, we'll be fine, you know.
Inside.
Corona's still a keep.
And it's keeping hard, guys.